I just went to my mailbox and I found the most amazing package. Oh my God. Like, I've been crying. I'm sorry. She sent all this incredible product from the UK and she's just my favorite. And I'm literally wanting to try this forever. Like, I can't. I'm like, I feel like I cannot. Oh my God. This is so fucking cool. If these are those sold out sunglasses, I'm gonna lose it. Y'all. I'm freaking dying. Do you remember that video that you guys blew up when I was talking about Dr. V? She messaged me and sent me some products. Quick story time. I'm literally losing my shit. I'm sorry. I suffered from terrible acne, especially when my dad died. It got really bad. And the scars, just like she said, can last up to 10 years. This is what they look like. It really affected my confidence, everything. But let me show you the box. I cannot wait to open this. I'm literally beyond. I don't think I was dramatic enough. Beyond. Whatever, I'm freaking excited. So let's see what I got. I'll post later my original real life reaction. I cried. Like, cried. I can't. She sent me the moisturizer, the sunscreen, and there's no like white cast on this. What? The oil melting cleanser. I wear makeup and listen, if I have to take my makeup off something crazy, ma'am. The micellar wash, the facial pigmentation kit, and the body. This one, I'm so excited because the scar, thank you. I'm so excited. But let me show you the one that I was like, watch, hold on. I'm gonna grab it for you. It's in my purse, hold on. The sold out freaking sunglasses. Who is she? I don't know. She's festive. She's doing things. She's protecting her skin. What? Ma'am. And they come in this cute little case. This is my skin currently. So I have like no filter on. I took the filter off. Sorry. I started it with the filter, so I figured I'd just continue. But I have some like old hyperpigmentation here. Same on the forehead. I do have some sunscreen on, obviously SPF 50. I cannot wait to tell every single one of you how freaking fantastic this. I feel it in my bones. It's gonna be great.